Hello and welcome. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you are new to caking or been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips to make your caking journey that little bit easier. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. Today we're going to walk you through how to create a textured finish using buttercream. This is a 9-inch round cake, which we have first given a layer of white buttercream and left the textured top on purpose, rather than smoothing off the edge. We are using our signature buttercream, which is an American style buttercream. You can find the complete tutorial for purchase on our website. Just pop on over to our Instagram page and Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and comment the word buttercream on any of our posts and we'll send you the link directly. It's that easy. Now for this cake style, you want to be adding more buttercream onto the cake, then scraping some of it away again and then repeating the process. Before you start, make sure your cake is chilled thoroughly so you have a firm surface to work on. Using your offset spatula, work your way around the cake, adding small amounts of buttercream and gently smoothing over them a little. You don't want to add too much at once or it will be too thick. Working quickly, use a metal scraper that has been heated and scrape off the excess buttercream. Clean and reheat between each use and work quickly around your cake. Don't press too hard with the scraper as you want to keep some of the texture, not making it completely smooth, which totally goes against your natural instincts, I know. Keep adding more buttercream in small amounts as you need to maintain the straight sides on your cake while still adding the texture. Once you're finished, place your cake back in the fridge, then decorate it as desired. Here we've used artificial florals and a custom acrylic topper. We would love to see your creations, so make sure you tag us on socials. You can find us on Instagram at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new and enjoyed our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Happy caking!